Okay, we're going to use the .omater.com web name generator, and so we're going to go ahead and just simply hit the generate name button, and we're going to hit us here. We're going to hit us a handful of these to come over here. Out of this list here, we can go ahead and see if we can find something that looks exciting. SnapMix. Let's look at that. Check availability. Okay, and of course it's going to want to monetize this, so it's going to take us to a website that sells domains. And of course we're not going to purchase it here. Now we've got snapmix.com says it's taken, but we could choose .net or .org. I normally try to make sure and get .com. Not for any other reason than I just really rather have a .com. True with Flash Z. Let's see if Flash Z is available. And those are all taken. Let's generate some more names, see if there's anything that comes up. Ucube, Livester, ThoughtTube, Rimbo. Rimbo sounds interesting. Again, taken. Possible a lot of these are taken. Quitry. Another thing I like to do if you're generating these is make something that's easy to spell. If you're going to tell somebody go to my website, when you type in here Kata, there's a lot of different versions, a lot of different ways that could be spelled. But if you go to MyBeat, it's pretty cut and dried how that's spelled. So it makes it easier if you're especially if you're going to do anything audio only, to send somebody to mybeat.com than to Kata.com, because they'd be spelled with a C. It could be C-A-T-A, it could be C-A-Y-T-A. There's a lot of different ways it could be done. Brightbird, again, that's another word that for the most part would be spelled by most people the same way. Now that's taken. Another one, if you go down here, it does give you some other possibilities. MyBrightbird.com, TheBrightbird.com, BrightCage.com, BeCorrectBird.com. So there are many ways you can go ahead and choose a domain name. Go ahead and pick something that appeals to you and go ahead and write it down. Do not buy it here. You want to make sure and buy it when you set up your account. Okay? And we talked about that by going to FilipinoFreeBlogGuide.com, clicking on a resource guide, web hosting, and go ahead and clicking on the link for HostMonster and signing up there. Alright, that's the end of this tutorial.